Hey everyone, today we are unboxing the brand new Xtool TP150 TPMS diagnostic tool, a real game changer for TPMS work. Let's check it out. Here is the packaging, simple and professional. Let's open it up. And here it is, the TP150 itself. Solid build, professional design, and it feels great in the hand. This thing is built for real sharp use. Inside the box, you'll find the OBD2 main cable, USB Type-C data cable, and the power charger and its charger plugs for EU, UK, and US. And the documentation. Everything you need to get started is included. No extra hassle. Let's take a closer look. A clear display, intuitive button layout, and right here on top, a dedicated sensor activation area. That's going to make working with TPMS sensors so much easier. On the bottom, you've got a DB15 port for OBD connection and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Modern, reliable, and super convenient. And that's the unboxing of the TP150. Stay tuned for our full review and real car tests. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.